In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo showcase in Wix Studio. If you're looking to enhance your website by incorporating a logo carousel or showcase, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and make sure that your website looks great with a wonderful display of logos. First, we need to start by accessing your Wix account. Open your browser and go to the Wix.com homepage. Once there, log into your account. You should find yourself on the dashboard where you manage your sites. For this demonstration, we will be using Wix Studio, a versatile tool that allows for creative freedom in customizing your website. Once you're in the setup area, you'll see a plethora of options available to enhance your site. We'll focus specifically on adding elements. Look for the option that says Add Elements on the side menu. This is your gateway to customizing everything from text to images on your website. Now, after clicking on Add Elements, a new panel should appear. Here, you'll find various components you can add to your site. What you're looking for next is the Gallery option. Galleries are a wonderful way to showcase images, and in this case, we're going to use it to display your logos. After selecting Gallery, you will see several options for the type of gallery you can add. We want to look for slider galleries. Slider galleries are particularly great because they allow a seamless transition between images, creating a dynamic and visually appealing way to showcase logos. Once you've clicked on slider galleries, you'll be met with various templates that Wix offers. These templates can help save time and ensure that the showcase looks professional. Browse through the templates. For this example, let's select slider spheres. This particular style provides a nice, clean, modern appearance that can complement most website designs. After selecting your slider template, it's time to customize it. You'll want to upload the logos you wish to showcase. This can be done by clicking on the Change Images button within the gallery settings. Here you can upload new images, organize their order, and even link them to other pages if desired. Make sure your images are of good quality and consistently sized to maintain a neat and professional appearance. Once your logos are uploaded and organized, adjust the settings to fit your site's aesthetic. You can change transition effects, the speed of the slides, and other visual settings to make sure everything aligns with your overall design vision. Finally, take a step back and preview your site. Make sure the showcase is functioning correctly and that the layout looks appealing. Once satisfied, go ahead and publish your changes. That's it. You've successfully added a logo showcase to your Wix site using Wix Studio. Now your visitors can enjoy an attractive display of logos, enhancing the professional feel of your website.